I wonder if you can guess what's going to happen with the decay dial on the hi-hat channel. Let's hear what it sounds like with the dial turned all the way to the left. Let's turn it up. There you go. A longer hi-hat sound compared to a really short hi-hat sound. Let's see what happens with the open hi-hat. I've got no triggers, so I'll put some in. Let's get rid of the closed hi-hat triggers. Okay, so now I've only got these open hi-hat. Let's see what happens. Again, the decay lengthens the sound of the hi-hat. Let's add in the kick and snare. That's a really interesting sound if I turn up the decay on the open hi-hat. And that's shortened it. Let's add some closed hi-hat in. So you can see how the decay plays a really critical role in the length of sound for each part of the drum kit.